Good day everyone, I am Hazel Maribacos and today we will tackle about the properties of star and stellar classification. But first, let us know what is star. So star is the luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by its own gravity. Now, nuclear fusion reaction in its core supports star against gravity and produce photons and heat, as well as the amount of heavier elements. The common example for this are the sun. Sun is the closest star to the Earth. A star can be defined by 5 basic characteristics. First is the brightness. There are 2 characteristics that define brightness: the luminosity and magnitude. Luminosity is the amount of light that a star radiates. The size of the star and its surface temperature determines its luminosity. Apparently, the magnitude of a star is its perceived brightness, factoring the size and distance, while the absolute magnitude is its true brightness, irrespective of its distance. Next is the color. A star color depends on its surface temperature. The cooler stars tend to be redder in color, while the hotter stars have bluer appearance. The stars in the mid-ranges are white or yellow, such as our sun. Stars also can blend colors, such as the red-orange stars and the blue-white stars. Astronomers measure a star's temperature on the Kelvin scale. 0 degrees on Kelvin scale is theoretically absolute and is equal to negative 273.15 degrees Celsius. So the coolest stars are approximately 2,500 Kelvin, while the hottest stars can reach 50,000 Kelvin. So if we are going to measure the temperature of our sun, it is about 5,500 Kelvin, which is more hotter than the coolest, reddest sun. Next is the size. Astronomers measure the size of the stars in terms of our own sun's radius. A star that measures 1 solar radii would be the same size as our sun. A star Rigel, which is more larger than our sun, measures about 78 solar radii. A star size, along with its surface temperature, will determine its luminosity. The last is the mass. A star's mass is also measured in terms of our own sun, with 1 equal to the size of our sun. For instance, the Rigel, which is more larger than our sun, has a mass of 3.5 solar masses. 2 stars with a similar size may not necessarily have the same mass due to the fact that a star can vary greatly in density. So, those are the 5 basic characteristics or properties of the star: the brightness, the color, the surface temperature, the size, and the mass. The next topic will be the stellar classification, which will be discussed by my partner, Ms. Priscilla Angot. So that would be all. Good day and thank you.